Want your insurance to cover a roof replacement even if they denied you the first time? If your insurance company just denied your roof claim, don't cash that check yet. What I'm about to share helped hundreds of homeowners get their entire roof replacement covered after an initial denial. Let me explain how this works. After Hurricane Sandy devastated New Jersey, we saw hundreds of homeowners getting denied or receiving minimal payouts for significant roof damage. The insurance companies were counting on people just accepting their first offer or denial. But here's what most homeowners don't realize. You have far more rights than the insurance companies want you to know about. Over the past decade, we've helped install hundreds of roofs in both Reading and Allentown, Pennsylvania, and in parts of New Jersey that were destroyed by hailstorms, roofs that insurance companies initially refused to cover. The key thing to understand is that when your insurance company denies your claim or offers a lowball settlement, that's not the end of the story. In fact, it's just the beginning. We use the exact same software that insurance companies use to assess claims, which means we can speak their language and ensure nothing gets left out during the process. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to deal with your insurance company after they've already denied your claim. I'll show you the exact process we've used to help hundreds of homeowners get the coverage they deserve. And most importantly, I'll explain why having a licensed public adjuster on your side can make all the difference. Understanding why insurance companies deny claims. Think about the last time you filed an insurance claim. If you're like most homeowners, you probably felt completely overwhelmed by the process. Insurance companies count on this. They know that the average homeowner doesn't understand the complex language in their policy or know how to properly document storm damage. Let me share a recent case that perfectly illustrates this. Recently, we had a homeowner in Pennsylvania who had significant hail damage to their roof. The insurance company's adjuster spent less than 10 minutes on the roof and denied the claim, saying there wasn't enough damage to warrant replacement. When our licensed public adjuster went out to inspect, they found extensive damage that the insurance company's adjuster had completely missed or ignored. Here's what most people don't realize. Insurance company adjusters are often overworked and under pressure to process claims quickly. In some cases, they might handle 10 to 15 claims per day. This means they're more likely to miss damage or underestimate repair costs. Plus, they work for the insurance company, not for you, your rights as a homeowner. This is where things get interesting. And it's something that insurance companies rarely tell you up front. You have the right to have your claim reviewed multiple times. You're not stuck with the first adjuster's opinion. We've seen this play out countless times. After Hurricane Sandy, we worked with a family in New Jersey who had been offered just $1,500 for their significant roof damage. The insurance company claimed most of the damage was pre-existing, but here's what changed everything. We brought in our public adjuster who documented every single bit of damage using the same software and standards that insurance companies use. The result? The insurance company reversed their decision and paid over $18,000 for a complete roof replacement. The key here is understanding that you have the right to request a second inspection, have your own public adjuster present, appeal the insurance company's decision, have an independent evaluation of the damage. The power of professional documentation. Here's where most homeowners make a critical mistake. They rely solely on the insurance company's documentation. Let me show you why this is a problem. When we assess a roof, we use the exact same software that insurance companies use. This means we speak their language and can document damage in a way they can't ignore. We take detailed photos, measurements, and document every single point of damage. This level of documentation is often what makes the difference between a denied claim and a full roof replacement. For example, in Allentown, last year, we'd worked with a homeowner whose claim had been denied several times. The insurance company kept saying the damage was minimal, but when we documented the roof damage using their own standards and software, we found over 120 impact points from hail damage, more than enough to justify a full replacement. The insurance company couldn't argue with their own metrics. Working with a public adjuster. This is absolutely crucial, and it's the secret weapon that most homeowners don't know about. A licensed public adjuster works for you, not the insurance company. They're experts at identifying damage and negotiating with insurance companies. Let me share something that most people don't realize. Public adjusters understand insurance policies better than most insurance agents. They know exactly what to look for and how to document it in a way that insurance companies must respond to. Here's what happens when you work with a public adjuster. 1. They conduct a thorough inspection using professional equipment. 2. They document all damage using insurance industry software. 3. They handle all communication with the insurance company. 4. They negotiate on your behalf to get maximum coverage. We've seen cases where having a public adjuster increase the settlement by 1,000% or more. That's the difference between a patch job and a complete roof replacement. So let's recap what we've covered. You have the right to challenge insurance claim denials. Professional documentation is crucial for success. Public adjusters can dramatically improve your chances. The initial denial is often just the starting point. Here's the thing. If you have storm damage to your roof and your insurance company has denied your claim or offered a lowball settlement, don't accept it. You have options and you have rights as a homeowner. Remember, insurance companies are counting on you not knowing this information, but now you do. And if you're dealing with a denied roof claim right now, let us know. We will help you prepare to file your appeal. This could be the difference between paying thousands out of pocket or getting your insurance company to cover a full roof replacement.